What's going on, folks? Moving picker back again. Gonna go and knock out another picking video. Before I do that, go check us out. We're on Discord, Extraordinary League of Pickers. Come join us. Come get in the conversation. Great people there. Definitely worth a join. Now that's out of the way. Also, my email's in the description too, so y'all want to talk, hit me up if you don't want to jump on Discord. So just saying. Alright, so I've got a Mr. Bill Bacardi lock sent by Primitive NDE, which is non-destructive entry. I still have got to get your package out. I have been slacking on packages going out. I've got yours, and I've got one for steel pinnings that needs to go out. And yeah, I've been slacking hard, so that'll go out. I'm not even gonna lie, I don't know when. I'm gonna try to get it out as soon as I can. But all that rambling aside, let's go and pick this one. No, I didn't do anything to it, I just had it in my hand. See? There's the Bacardi on it. I've adjusted my camera just a little bit. Would help if I put it in there the right way. Got a whole new rig I'm trying to get used to. I've got my old rig pulled apart, and that is sitting over here in a cubby hole. No, that's not the whole rig, but that's most of it. Then there's an aluminum pipe that went between and camera on here. A couple of screws to hold it tight. Yeah. Now I've got one that's got full movement and everything like that. I can move the camera back, and it actually works pretty good. So we shall see how this does. New rig, new pick. Oh, not pick, but y'all know what I mean. Let's see here. Where is my thick pry bar? That's not it. There you are. Either if you guys like the new placement of the camera, let me know. Throw some love down in the comments. If you guys don't, throw some hate down there. You're not gonna hurt my feelings. You know, that just tells me, hey, I need to work on it. There we go. Slipped off before. Nope. Nope. Alright, let's try this. Just seems like one of these in the front. No, maybe not. There you are, in the back. Alright. There it is. Alrighty. That one put up a nice little fight. Hopefully y'all saw that a bit better than my old camera position where it was over there. Now I've got that tripod folded up and sitting on the floor. I had nowhere else for it to go. Alright. Come on. I don't want to lock it back up because I hate having to gut these with a key. Kind of sort of in frame still. There we go. Oh, maybe not. There it is. Fighting all the way to the bank. Alright. Since it is a challenge lock and I don't know what's in there, I think it opened on a spool, but better safe than sorry. I've botched guttings on my own challenge locks before when I was making them on a regular basis. Alright. There we go, and still in frame. Alright. Got all kinds of work done to this one. Undercut on 1, 2, 3 is smooth, undercut on 4, 5, and 6. Wow. 3 is the only one that's not been messed with. There they are. Well, that was about stupid. I think that's how it was. I'll have to fix that when I put it back together. Let's see. Nope, I got these two mixed up. Oh well, I'll check it before I put it back together. Alrighty. I see why he did a lot of undercuts. Let go, there you go. Alright. Yep, I'm gonna have to adjust my camera again before the next one. I'm not quite sure I like. Oh, not sure I quite like the way this is set up right now. I like being able to work a little bit closer to me. Turn around there. There we go. There we go. And let's see if he's done anything to the top. Flashlight. Oh, let go. Nope, top is all stock still. Stick that up there. Alright folks, let's see. Stick that there, and oh, that works better this time. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, I'm sure y'all can see that a lot better than the last one. Alright, that is from Mr. Bill Bacardi, and that is his number 249 lock. There we go. Alright folks, until next time, have a good one.